Hello, my name is Roland Jung from EPLAN Canada. I'd like to talk a little bit more about the EPLAN Cogineer, a way to automate your schematic generation simply with a mouse click. Now, as you know, in EPLAN, we work a lot with macros. Macros are nothing else than schematic portions that are put together, and typically you have to create them, as you know, by creating yourself a new page, by dragging the macros. Here, what this Cogineer Builder option will give us is, number one, we can start here with, for instance, the project we wish to enhance with our configurator. We have here three configurations: the distribution, the four motors, and the power line, and I can just start. So here I have a few questions. Variant A will have less questions than variant S. Here I want a page power A1E page 10 with a couple of options here that I can choose from. I hit the generate button, and what happens? Automatically it generates this schematic page. Now, if I want to add another schematic page to this using the configurator, let's say 4 additional motors, I'm going to add this on circuit number 1. I want 4 different motors, 1 horsepower. I want this time on MTR. Whoops, MTR, this is where I put those ones. My page, my counters, everything, generate, and bingo, you will see, it will just add some more pages here. This is 1 extra page with exactly 4 motors. Would I have actually picked 3 motors, 2 motors? It would have generated only 2 motors exactly as I wished, right? Now, this is a nice way to configure the creation of your schematics. Now, in the past, some of you actually know this because you had the EEC One. The EEC One was based on an Excel sheet that had a couple of different columns, some columns reflecting macros, some columns reflecting information about the pages you wanted to generate, and you can pre-configure and assign a couple of variables. This would generate a complete set of schematics for, let's say, drives or for a PLC or whatever. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how in this new world of Cogineer we can use these files. Now, for this to work, all you need to know is that you have to download a small API add-in. This API add-in is yours if you buy the Cogineer. It goes here under the extra interfaces API manage, and is called the transformer. Once you loaded this one, you get some extra features. So technically, I'm just going to go back here to my original macro. I will actually transfer the project to a different project, and I will show you what happens. When you load this particular API, you can generate from file. Now, this means that you can actually pick here the typical file that you were using in the past. There are a couple of different settings in this interface, and you can specify what typical worksheet you want me to generate in this particular project, which would be the base of the information on which macros go where. So, of course, for those of who know EEC One, they know what I'm talking about because they have these typical files. And it doesn't take longer than this. There is no error right now generated. And you will see in this particular project I picked here, I just added a few pages that directly came from my EEC One. So this is the transition between EEC One and Cogineer. We are able now to actually read in these individual Cogineer files. What's also interesting in our regular configurator, so if we go back here to our configurator we had earlier, just to show you, is that we have the option here to save these configurators. So to export the configuration. Once you have this here done, you can export, let's say we want the variant S with the power with the location A1 E page 10, which is the typical one. I want a 4 or 5 amperage here. I can export that information into an XML or Excel file. And if I do so, I can call up this configuration so I don't have to choose all of these, and then just hit the button, generate, and it will generate the schematic portion. This Cogineer, as I said, is just awesome. EPLAN, Cogineer, ask for it.